Hey guys, it's up Charmix and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my bathing suits that I got off AliExpress. I'm going to be telling you the prices and then I'm going to be trying them on and my boyfriend is going to rate them. I love these videos. I watched so many of the boyfriend rates my outfits and the girlfriend rates my outfits and I love these videos, so I decided to do it myself. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox the packaging of the bathing suits and then I'm going to tell you the prices and then we're going to try them on. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh gosh. So I believe I have 4 pieces and I don't even know what is this. Anyways, I'm going to start opening the separate things. I have no idea what this is. Maybe a title of bikinis together, but here's the first one. So this one, oh god, it looks like a freaking diaper. Why is it scrunchy like that? Ooh, it's really see-through actually. Can you see my face? I can see you. This was $4.87 Canadian, and for some reason I paid $6 shipping for all of this, and this shit came in literally almost a month, so I don't understand what I paid that for. This is not really bathing suit material at all. It feels like a one-piece shirt. It's really weird, but hopefully it's not see-through when I put it on. It's just a little one piece that says people on it, and it kind of looks like Tommy Hilfiger in my opinion. I don't know if it's a knockoff of something else. It looks kind of small, but we'll see when we try it on. So the next one was a 2-piece. It was $4.10 Canadian, and it's just a tube top. I got these all in medium, by the way, if you're wondering. Oh no, except for this one. I got this one in small because it is a tube top, and I know that can fall off real easy, but it looks like a medium. So hopefully it does fit and it's not loose and falls off. And then these are supposed to be some high-waisted bottoms. I've never worn high-waisted like bikini bottoms before, but here they are. They look so weird. I literally never wear high-waisted like anything except for jeans. Anyway, none of this feels like bathing suit material. Like it doesn't even have a crotch cover really. It like changes color. Right, it doesn't even, yeah, I don't even understand what's happening with this, but hopefully it will just shock us when we do try them on. Unfortunately, I think this is just a top. It was $3.37 and it looks freaking tiny. This is a medium and it looks tiny. Oh my god, these are literally nipple covered. It's a really nice green, but bitch, that ain't gonna fit. Last one is just kind of a straight top, which I feel like is going to be really cute. I got it in black. None of these have padding in it either. I've had much better bikinis from AliExpress, but this was $4.03. It looks so thin. I can literally see through it. I'll probably pair everything with the red bottoms for the 2 tops that I got, or I might find another one of my top or bottoms from my other bikinis that I got from my other videos. So now I'm gonna bring Carrie in, introduce you to him if you haven't watched my chapstick challenge video, and then I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. Carrie, come in. Oh! What the fuck? No hats, mate.
Hats because my hair is gross.
Okay, Carrie didn't have a haircut, so that's why his hat's on, but...
I didn't have a shape cut either.
Shave cut?
I didn't have a shape cut.
Like a shave?
Yeah, I didn't shape cut.
It's No Shave November. Okay, anyways.
No, not November.
I'm gonna go ahead and just try these on. So you're gonna sit here, right? I'm gonna go try them on, and you're gonna tell me what you think. I'm actually gonna grab one of my black bottoms that I already have. So I'll be right back. You're gonna need to close your eyes. Not yet, I'll tell you when.
Oh, you didn't get one?
No, just the one piece.
Oh yeah, I saw.
Don't look.
I'm not looking.
Oh my god, Molly is literally outside. Oh, screw this.
Oh no, almost saw.
Huh?
I said I almost saw.
I hate tops that you have to tie. Whatever, I didn't tie it properly. Don't look! Ah! Don't look! No!
It's too late. Alright, let's go.
Okay, so here's the top that I said was going to be really small, which it is.
It's too small, but it's not as bad as it looked off.
Yeah, but this is loose. Like, if I jumped in the water, my top is coming off.
You can't tighten it?
It's like a little latch thing.
How much was it?
$4.
Are you gonna put it up?
I already said how much it was.
Yeah, but you should put it up.
Okay. Anyways, the bottoms I think I got from Zaffle like in one of my other videos, but this is so loose. like I could
Do I rate the bathing suit or like how it looks on you?
rate the bathing suit and then rate what you think you think it looks.
Okay.
Every time I move, like I feel it.
Well, I rate the bathing suit quality, maybe like, well, if it's gonna fall off, which
We'll
it seems
feel
like it probably actually would, then like a 3 out of 10.
Okay.
But the look,
This doesn't come with it. It's just the
oh,
top.
okay. The look,
It's so loose.
the
I
look,
can't.
7 out of 10.
Okay. Okay, say it fits.
Is this supposed to be straight? I don't know.
What do you mean, like this part?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You know what? 6 out of 10.
They all go up. Okay.
6 out
It's
of 10.
definitely too small though. You agree?
Yeah.
I feel like it's literally. It has padding. This one has padding though. It has actually nice padding. Is it circular?
6.5
Yeah.
out of 10.
6.5 out of 10.
6.5.
Overall?
I like the color. I like the color.
Okay, yeah,
But-
the color is really nice.
I like it. So like 6.5.
I literally, if I bent over, you know when someone bends over and like their bra is too loose, and then you just see their nipple? Has that ever happened to you? Or is it just me?
Me?
Like somebody bends over.
Oh, like another girl than me.
Yeah.
No.
That's never happened.
Okay.
With me, I don't know if this ever happened to any of you guys, but people have bent down beside me and then like their bra is a little loose, so like, they're not supposed to be tight, but like and then their nipple slips, but like you're like fuck. Like,
It's happened to you or you see?
no, it happened to me like multiple times.
One more thing.
Yeah.
You can tell that it's too small, but at
Uh-huh.
the same time, it's way too big.
Yeah.
Like loose,
This
and it
is
wouldn't get
a
tight.
medium too, which
So it's kind of, don't, like, it's bad.
it's bad. Yeah.
Like the quality.
Yes. Well, it was $4, so I don't blame them. But they could have made this thinner, or since it's a medium, they could have kept this like, what do you call this, circumference, and like made the cups bigger. Like that's why I got a medium, to get the bigger cups, but that just didn't happen. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put the next one on. So close your eyes. Okay, yeah, I'll put this one on quick. Gotta come do quick. Holy, I'm really trying here. Don't look, I'm
I'm not
high.
looking.
Oh shit, that's actually cute. Okay, ready?
Ah!
It's just the top. So here's the top.
I like it.
Me too, but I feel like it
Because it looks like a top you could wear out. Like, it doesn't have to be a bathing suit, but it looks like a nice
can you check if
aesthetic
it has,
bathing suit.
does it have adjusting straps on this? No, not that,
I wasn't gonna
on here.
Oh.
No, it
Yeah,
does. Okay, I don't need it. It's perfect, but this one actually has adjusting straps, and this is a medium. I feel like
How many more
it's
do you have?
actually perfect fit.
How much more do you have?
I have 2 actual like full pieces.
I rate that one, like, I actually really like it.
The make first.
It's quality.
It has no pads, so I would.
For no pad, it's still good. Like,
Okay. If your nipples get hard though, actually it's black, so you might not be able to tell.
I like it a 9 out of 10 for me.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
How about like on me?
9 out of 10.
So make it.
Okay, so scratch that. The bathing suit itself, 9 out of 10, and on you 9 out of 10 actually. Yeah. So both. Yeah.
So honestly, I would definitely say get this top. I'm gonna have all the things down below if you are interested.
How much? Put it here.
I think. Okay.
Right here.
Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna. This is my phone or my computer.
And then can you move it over here?
Okay, I'm not that talented. Chill. I love it. Honestly, I didn't think straight like tops. It's not really fully straight, but I didn't think it would look good on me, but it does. And plus, my bottoms that I already have are black, so this is. If you can hear me, camera, I never wear one pieces, so it's gonna be a little different for me. And I don't know what the front or back is on this. Open.
Oh. I like
Honest rating.
it. Wait, is that velvet?
No,
Oh, it kind of almost looks velvet.
it's really shiny.
Well.
Ew, it looks kind of looks like a.
I
don't know.
like at the same time, it looks like a granny panty. I know that's what
Yeah.
you meant, but I like it. I like this, like the high waist and the thickness is different, and I like it. The top, I'm used to those like 2 top type of bathing suits. don't really like those that much.
Me neither.
Do I rate the whole
doesn't
thing
have
as
to
total,
be good.
or can I rate them separate?
No.
Bottom's good, I'll give it like an 8 out of 10. And then top, I'll give like 7, 6 out of 10. On you, I'll give it 9 out of 10 and an 8 out of 10.
I just want to let you guys know, this does not have padding, so if you're fine with your nipples literally popping out after you hop into the pool, and you know when you hop into the pool and then you're really cold, yeah, your nipples are gonna pop. So if you're fine with that and you like the look of this, I would go for it. The back, I feel like this is so different. The back kind of looks like a granny panty, like he was saying, but that's just me. I don't know, like I said, I don't wear high-waisted things, so I couldn't tell you, but.
No, it's good. I like the bottoms are nice.
But honestly, not good for tanning because you have a line up here, but I think it's cute. I got this one in a small, by the way, like I said before. Oh my god, don't look. What the fuck?
Okay,
No? Okay. So tight. This is a medium. The straps are not long enough. Oh. And like this, like I have a bulgy dick.
Cute-ish.
Okay.
I read the bathing suit.
You can tell it's too small because this part is
Oh yeah, definitely. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and like literally, I have a fucking thought.
Stop! I rate the bathing suit
As a piece.
as a piece like a 6 out of 10.
Okay, what
It's
don't you?
nice, but it's not nice. You can tell like the letters stretch out. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but they kind of stretch out and it looks like a bad quality.
I feel like they didn't make the sleeves of this long enough. I don't know if that makes sense, but you know when something's too tight, it's right under your armpit and it just.
It would be better quality. I would give it like. I really like those one pieces on you, so like a 10 out of 10. Like if it was good quality and like an actual expensive fabric and stuff, I'd give it a nice 10 out of 10.
Okay.
Because I like you in one pieces. I've never seen you in one piece.
Yeah, I don't wear one piece. I'm gonna get demonetized. They're gonna see a butt and they're gonna demonetize me. But that girl.
Or better if it had these on the side turn, like the holes on each side. I think that'd make it look better too.
It has a little piece here and it's not folded properly on the crotch. So like, it looks like I have a wiener, and I don't. But looks like I have a wiener. That's my
Sorry, I
opinion.
keep looking down. I'm looking at my cat. She's so
And this part is folding in my ass, and I just feel like I have a wedgie. But once again, no padding either. I feel like that's just the motive for these guys. Which one was your favorite?
The black, the second one you wore.
Okay, so I'm editing this video. I totally forgot to make an outro, but thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below what your favorite bathing suit was. Let me know if you're gonna order any of them. And Carrie's currently playing some Call of Duty. And yeah, my Instagram links will be down below, my Snapchat, my Twitter, so go follow them. And I'm just so ready for bed. And I'm out.